Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to participate in KuCoin Spotlight Token Sales. So just tap on my KuCoin account and officially logged in. So I will just tap on the more section which is in dashboard, and after get inside you will just find a spotlight. So in welfare you will just see the spotlight icon, just tap on it. So when it's load, so here is a live form. So token offering price on spotlight 0.03 USDT. Token amount offer on spotlight 5 lakh USDT. So you can just join this spotlight even now. So here is the participants 70,727, but right now I am not eligible because I not complete my KYC verification. So when I just sign in and verify my all information, so I will able to see this all. So you can just tap to subscription and start the spotlight, and when its result announced, the token will be distributed to your account. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.